Hello guys, how are you? Hope you guys are fine. Today I'm going to show you how to find duplicate data and duplicate cell in Excel and how to delete them easily. For that you have to go to Home, and under Home tab you have to go Conditional Formatting and highlight cell rules and duplicate values. Here your values are duplicate values are selected in red color, and now you can easily see which cells and which values are duplicate in here. As you can see, those duplicate values are in red color. So if you want to delete them, the duplicate values, you can delete, select each cells and delete manually, or you can delete them in very easily. Select data tab and then select the whole table and remove duplicates. Now it will erase all the duplicate values and the duplicate cells from here and duplicate rows from here, but didn't delete the all cell values because those cells were in different row and different name. That's why those cells are deleted and these values are not deleted, which is good. If you want to delete this, no duplicate, see, no duplicate values are found. If you copy this and paste here, you see this, this and this. So these cells are duplicate. It will only delete these cells. Remove duplicates. Only these cells are deleted, but these cells and these values are not deleted because these are under name and this is under formatting table. That's why these were not deleted. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like my video and comment so you can easily get notification from me if there any new video I posted. So that's all. Thank you all.